guys, Cooking for Life here today with some of the team. Today we are going to be making pasta and pasta sauce. So now, if you didn't see our last video, make sure you go check it out. It just went live. I'm sure you guys will enjoy it. Anyways, enjoy.
Now we put the butter in.
The butter in.
After it's melted, stir in the flour. Just gotta get all of the flour just mixed up with the butter. You don't want any on the sides or anything because it's just gotta all be used. So that's kind of the consistency you'd be looking for.
Now you want to pour in half the milk and stir until it is thick. A little bit more.
Adding the cheese and the rest of the milk, this is what it should look like.
Now let it sit for a bit.
There we go. Okay, so now we are going to empty the pasta sauce into the pasta. That looks delicious. Now we are going to serve it. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed. I'm sure you thought it was delicious. If you want to check out our last video, we made wedges, and so make sure you go check that out. Anyways, make sure you like and subscribe.
Thanks for watching, guys.
See ya.
See ya.